Okay, so we will be unboxing the iPad mini 5, the 2019 model in 2021. Okay, so I know most of you will think, why couldn't you wait for maybe a couple of months, because we know the new iPad is just mini is just right around the corner. But then there was a particular requirement for which I had to go for this purchase, and then I evaluated a lot of tabs, and then I found this would be the best fit to my requirements. More on that later. Let's start unboxing. So yes, this is from Takealot, one of the most dependable and reputed online sellers. I got it for pretty less and Takealot. The iStore here quoted a price which was around 1,000 rands more than one that I got in Takealot. So let's see. And obviously there is always there's a different type of happiness when you unbox the product. So here you are. I opted for the steel gray, the space gray model. That has been my favorite always. So here is the box. I got a 64 GB variant because that serves my purpose. So let's start unboxing this. So typical Apple way of unboxing, you don't require anything. You don't require to cut open anything. Now up to I hope they still have chargers. This seems to be an old model. I don't know. Companies follow a different trend nowadays. So this is the device itself. I'll keep it to the side for the time being. And just look at what's there inside. You have the USB to lightning cable. It's pretty standard. And then yeah, of course, I'm sure this has some stickers like my old iPad, and then the usual literature you have, the user guide and stuff. Okay, so here we're getting an adapter. This can be used both here and back in India as well. This is a 12-watt USB power adapter. It's a 12-watt adapter. I think this should be good enough. But again, I don't know how fast it will charge. Okay, there's nothing else here. Let's keep this to the side and let's get on with the tab in particular. Typical Apple way. So the looks stay the same, nothing has changed. You can, for example, for reference, you can see my old iPad mini here. I also had an old iPad mini before. Let me get this out of the case. Yeah, so the looks are exactly the same. There is no difference. The only difference might be in the screen. But if you look closely, yes, I think this is a tad longer. So this is the first generation iPad mini, and this is the iPad mini 5. It looks like the iPad mini 5 is a tad slimmer and a tad longer than the iPad mini 1, the first one. So I will power on the device. There it is. So this still runs pretty good, no problems, but with age, now not all the applications are compatible. So that's why I had to upgrade, and then I have a particular use of the new iPad in terms of its processing power and the applications that I need to run. So more on that on the next video. Till then, bye.